Hi, in today's lesson we're going to look at the phrase as long as in English. As long as is a conjunction and we use as long as to refer to the intended duration of a plan or idea, normally when we're talking about the future. So let's look at an example sentence. I will stop eating sugar for as long as I can. Here, as long as refers to the intended duration of our plan or idea to stop eating sugar. Notice that even though we're referring to the future, we use the present simple. Or, I'll remember the moment we met as long as I live. Again, we're referring to the intended duration of our idea. So for the duration of time, all the time I live, I will always remember the moment we met. Again, also we write as long as I live and not as long as I will live. Secondly, as long as and so long as also means if or provided that, providing that, or on condition that. You can borrow my car as long as or so long as you promise to drive safely. This means that you can borrow my car if you drive safely or on the condition that you drive safely. So long as is a little more informal. Travelling by air is convenient as long as you are not scared of flying. This means that travelling by air is convenient if you're not scared of flying or on the condition that you are not scared of flying. So now it's your turn. Finish these sentences with as long as. Number 1, I like hot weather as long as blank. You could say as long as I have a cool drink. You could put many things here, but remember to use the present tense after as long as. 2, I don't mind walking home as long as blank. You come with me. Again, present tense, and this is a condition, on condition that you come with me. 3, it doesn't matter as long as. Now, can you finish the sentence? You know what to do. Write your answer down below and I promise to give you feedback on your answer. So that's it for today. I hope you feel more confident using as long as in English. Remember to like this video if you found it useful, share it with your family and friends learning English, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any new lessons, and click the bell so you're notified when new lessons come out. So that's it. Take care and see you very soon. Bye bye.